Thanks for that.
Not exactly dressed for a funeral.
Well, I might have been if you told me about it.
You just got here. You hardly know these people.
Oh, what a better opportunity to meet them.
A respected member of the community just died. Your networking may have to wait, Jill.
Kate, how are you? This will be your new assistant.
I am Jill Blake.
Welcome to Paringa, Jill.
Jill's Sarah Balfour.
I'm pleased to meet you.
Likewise. It's about time Kate had some decent help. Excuse me.
We gathered here today to honour and celebrate the life of Wally Hupperts.
Not much of a turnout.
I'm used to it.
Well, I go to all the trouble.
Let people know we're here. We get most of our business on the phone afterwards.
What most farmers want is something to tide them over until the drought breaks.
And when do we know when it stops being drought and becomes climate change? The whole country's been in denial for so many years now. The farmers are just like the rest, really.
It's the country way, my friend. Stick your head in the sand and wait for it to rain on your backside.
In the name of our Lord Jesus Christ.
I'm so sorry about Wally.
He had a soft spot for you.
Lachlan couldn't,
It's good of you to come.
He wasn't such a bad old bloke, was he?
You don't know the half of it, Kate. Actually, you know a lot more than half.
Mm-hmm.
Shouldn't lie in front of a minister.
How is she?
Kate,
It's okay, I've known Kate half my life. She can be hard work sometimes. You need a lift?
No, I better wait for Kate.
But you will come.
I wouldn't miss it. Networking, don't you know?
Okay, I'll see you.
Bye.
How are the Kleins?
It looks like one of his calving cows has pestivirus.
That's all he needs.
He's not the world's best farmer, is he?
Oh, you reckon you can make that judgment after 2 house calls?
Well, at least I didn't take eggs as payment this time.
Which means we'll get nothing then.
I gave Gail Klein a lift down here to the funeral. Or at least she said she was going to the funeral. They seem to be doing it tough.
Yep, who isn't?
Well, I could swear that she had a bruise.
Fred, I wouldn't think so.
Looked like she was hiding it.
I hope she's not doing something stupid.
Well, since when is leaving a violent man stupid?
Sorry about your drought relief workshop.
Oh, it's not mine. I'm sure you've got better things to think about.
Well, I hope you have a great turnout.
Thank you.
Giving away free money, they'll be hanging off the rafters.
Will it take long? I'd like to have a look.
I could get some info for you, and then you can do it over the phone.
Thanks, but I'd rather see for myself.
I better go. Don't be too long.
Don't be too hard on him, Jenny. At least he's thinking ahead.
I know. I just wish he wasn't.
Yeah, I suppose I should go with him, but I'm not that crash hot at family dues.
But this is just an excuse, hey?
Yeah, bloody good one.
It's been a while since I last saw your brother and sister.
Yeah, they don't get it. Can't wait to get back to their little boxes and town jobs.
It seems a shame for your mum that they've moved away, especially now.
Yeah, well, she can have her quality time with them and then I can get on with fixing the place up.